Hi, I'm Sajikilo. I'm a research intern here at Adobe.
My name is TJ Rhodes, and I'm a hardware research engineer at Adobe. I started here as an intern myself.
My name is Eddie An. Cedric is my intern. I try to guide him the right way.
At least half of our projects had an intern involved.
So the internship program here at Adobe is a very interesting thing. You work on the products that they have here, and that's what I end up doing working on PDF Audible. So the way PDF Audible works is basically you take your Adobe Scan app, and that document will store it to your Document Cloud account, which is basically grab that PDF and read it back to you. Read peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Heat griddle or skillet to 300.
The idea of PDF Audible came about for one of my colleagues, Andres Gonzalez, who just happens to be visually impaired.
Open my Document Cloud.
Welcome to Adobe Cloud.
I myself, as a scientist, had to read a lot of material in PDF, and it was impossible for me.
Smart speakers, they really enable us to make PDFs more accessible. We don't really treat the interns as interns.
You have the greatest opportunity to learn as much as you can.
You're really welcomed here.
Everybody has a loving eye. Everybody actually greets you with a smile here. And you know, just having that energy like pumps me up and just ready for me to go do work, honestly.